Welcome everyone to the April edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors. Today we're in Greenville once again, waiting on the Amtrak Crescent, who's actually showing up in the daylight today, about 4 hours late, so this is kind of a treat for us. This month I've been, if you looked at my previous months, I've been talking about inflation and how the Fed is fighting inflation by raising the interest rates. So that was kind of their sole mission. But now we're throwing in these bank runs, these quasi-bank runs, Silicon Valley Bank, Signature Bank. So the Fed has a lot going on its on the battlefield right now for itself. So we're going to keep watching that, especially as the economy is starting to slow down. There's no doubt about that. So we'll watch that. This month I want to draw your attention to the whiteboard is how will your last non-railroad retirement job affect your retirement, how your last non-railroad job. So that's very important. Right? Because you might have that last previous employer reductions in your tier 2. Check out that video, very, very important if you plan to work in retirement. Second, along that same theme on my mailbag, will my wife's tier 2 railroad retirement reduce the Social Security? Once again, very important, work deductions retirement. You have to understand what your income is going to be in retirement. So check that out, very, very important. The checklist I have for the month is what issues should you consider when you're building an estate plan. Very important estate plan. All my clients, I stress, got to get an estate plan together, have to get something. And a lot of people say, oh, I've got a will, but they might have had a will when they had children, right? Now that you're nearing retirement, you got to update it. You want your assets going where they're supposed to go. So check that out. And then finally, my economic checklist for the month, or graphic, is money market assets at historic peak. So what does that mean? So there's an awful lot of money on the sidelines, actually more than there was during COVID. All right, so that tells you something. People are a little bit nervous, so as the market goes down, there's a lot of cash here on the sides waiting to get into play. So that's just something you want to keep an eye out as, if this market continues to go down. So I hope you found this month's newsletter helpful. Feel free to reach out to me if you're at or near railroad retirement. Go through my boarding for railroad retirement process. Please subscribe to my newsletter. I appreciate that. And until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.